Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a camera that's been generating quite a buzz among film photography enthusiasts and newcomers alike. The KODAK EKTAR H35 half-frame 35mm camera. This isn't just another point-and-shoot. It's a clever little device designed to make film photography accessible, fun, and surprisingly economical. One of the standout features of the KODAK EKTAR H35 is its half-frame capability. For those unfamiliar, this means the camera captures two images on a single 35mm film frame. Imagine a standard 36 exposure roll, suddenly yielding around 72 unique photographs. This effectively doubles the number of shots you get from each roll, making film photography more budget-friendly and encouraging users to experiment more freely without worrying about running out of exposures too quickly. It's a fantastic way to save on film costs and get more creative with your compositions. The design of the KODAK EKTAR H35 is all about simplicity and portability. Weighing in at a mere 200 grams, this off-white, pocket-sized camera is incredibly lightweight and tiny, making it an ideal companion for daily adventures. It slips easily into a bag or even a jacket pocket, ensuring that users are always ready to capture spontaneous moments. Its instructions are straightforward, making it suitable for all analog hobbyists, regardless of their experience level. This camera truly embodies the point-and-shoot philosophy, removing the complexities often associated with film photography. For beginners, the KODAK EKTAR H35 is an absolute dream. It's focus-free, meaning there's no need to fiddle with manual focusing, and its exposure control is automatic. This allows new analog hobbyists to simply aim and click, letting the camera handle the technicalities. This ease of use significantly lowers the barrier to entry for anyone curious about dipping their toes into the world of film. Adding to its versatility is the built-in flash. Users can easily turn on the flash by adjusting the silver ring around the lens. This thoughtful inclusion means the KODAK EKTAR H35 isn't limited to bright, sunny days. It can be used effectively during the day or night, indoors or outdoors, ensuring that users can capture memories in a wider range of lighting conditions. This makes it a truly adaptable camera for various scenarios, from casual street photography to indoor gatherings. In essence, the KODAK EKTAR H35 is a delightful blend of retro charm and modern convenience. It offers a unique film-saving feature, unparalleled ease of use for beginners, and the flexibility of a built-in flash, all packed into a lightweight and portable body. It's a fantastic option for anyone looking to explore film photography without the steep learning curve, or for seasoned enthusiasts seeking a fun, no-fuss camera for everyday shooting.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.